how to delete mods for Steam Workshop. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, here's how you do it. So first of all, you may just head over to Steam, open up the application on your screen, and once you open it up, from this interface, look out for community option at the top, and you should be finding workshop option. You may head over to that option right here, and from here, you may just go ahead and locate up the game or anything that you would like to remove the mod from. For example, when you head over to workshop, you will be finding this item right here. So you may just head over and go to the item, and you need to go ahead and unsubscribe, and that way you can remove the mod. Again, look out for the subscribe option, look out for unsubscribe option, click on it, go ahead and click on that option, and that way you can just go ahead and unsubscribe and remove the mod. Apart from that, what you may do is you may go to the file location. For that, you may just head over and then go to your library in your Steam. And once you find your game, you can right click on it, head over the properties of the game, and you can look out for this section right here, which is called local files. For example, ARK Survival Evolved. Once you head over your properties, open up your local files, look out for browse local file, and open up the location of the game. Once you do that, you need to locate up the mod file. You can go ahead through the files and look out for it. After that, just go ahead and right click on it and look out for delete option, and that way also you can remove the mod within Steam. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to do so and remove mod within Steam. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.